how to reverse TikTok video on Snapchat. So first of all, in order to reverse a video on Snapchat and to know if it is possible, we need to download the video from TikTok. Okay, so let's say for example I'm gonna download the first video right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the three dots right here at the down right, and as you can see, you will see the save video button. Okay, next step, you will go back to your screen and go to find Snapchat. Okay, and you're gonna search for in the memories right here, or to make it even better, you're gonna see the videos that are the filters that's been provided on Snapchat. So I'm gonna choose this video. Okay, all right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the edit button, and as you can see, if you swipe from left to right, you will see many filters right here until you find the reverse button. If you swiped from left to right and you didn't find this feature, that means this reverse feature don't provide on videos that been downloaded outside Snapchat. But alternatively, what you gotta do is, okay, you're gonna record a video on Snapchat. So let's say for example I want to record, let's say, one video on Snapchat. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, next step, I'm gonna just go ahead swipe as I did before from left to right. Okay, and I'm gonna see many filters because I recorded it on my Snapchat, until you're gonna see the reverse button right here. Okay, that means that the reverse section don't provide this feature for other than a Snapchat recorded videos, but we will let you know in the future if this reversed feature has been provided to other than Snapchat videos. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.